All right, so welcome to our second example here. So the difference between this one and our last one is we're now using the word or to compare our inequalities. So it's going to be a little different, but really the same process. We do have two inequalities we're going to solve. So what I'm going to look at, I'm going to take it one at a time. I'm going to start over with this one. 2x minus 3 is less than 7. So the great part about this is we've already solved inequalities like this. There is no difference between this and what we were doing the other day. So if you like to put your line down the middle, all I have to do is plus 3. Since it's a minus 3, the opposite is plus. And plus 3 over here. So that gives me 2x, see, those cancel out like I wanted, is less than 10. All right, step 2 here. Divide by 2, and you get x is less than 5. Now, if that didn't exactly make sense to you, what we did to solve that, I suggest going back to the solving inequalities videos in practice. That will help review you there. All right, so we do have another inequality over here. This is a compound inequality, which means I have 2, right? So I have 4x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 20. So I'm going to solve it the same way. Let's get this minus 4 off. So I'm going to plus 4 on both sides. That's going to give me 4x, those cancel, is greater than or equal to 24. All right. Next step, divide by 4 and divide by 4. These cancel. That gives me what? X is greater than or equal to 6. So I do have two kind of solutions here. I have x is less than 5 or x is greater than or equal to 6. So let's make a number line. Remember, work with your teacher on how detailed they want it. I am fine with just whatever, as long as I can tell what you're showing. Do not spend 5 minutes making a tiny little number line. All right, we'll go purple here. So let's see. X is less than 5. Since it's less than, that's going to be an open circle. And all the numbers that are less than x go this way, right? 2, 3, 4. All of those are less than x, or less than 5, excuse me. And then over at 6, I'm going to have a closed circle because notice my inequality symbol. It has that line under there telling me I am also equal to that number. And since it's greater than, that's here. So notice the difference on the OR graph, how it kind of looks. Notice the arrows kind of go like that. Remember on our AND graph, we were just in between. So there's something to notice there. All right. Have a good day, night, morning, wherever you are when you watch.